Traditional Festival of Female General Chan Hai Phong 2024. The procession begins with a traditional ceremony, lion dance, drums, gongs, octagons, gonged in palanquin, bow music troupe, female mandarin sacrificial team, worshipping group with a large number of people from all walks of life. The procession took place in a solemn atmosphere but also full of joy and excitement. Many people had the opportunity to immerse themselves in the bustle of the procession, worship the heroic spirits and enjoy the quintessential cultural values, God of the homeland. Female General Le Chan was a martial general under the Tuong sisters, along with the heroic leaders of the Tuong sisters uprising. She participated in expelling the Han invaders and became a general with many merits and achievements. The independent spirit and sense of autonomy of our nation in the early years of the Common Era. The festival is held annually to promote the cultural beauty and traditional rituals of the status, career, and great contributions of female General Le Chan, thereby arousing pride and propaganda and education, history, culture, tradition of when drinking water, remember the source of the nation.